Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just want to talk about these ultra chewy dog treats. These come in an 8-pack and I have 2 dogs and they absolutely love them. I am buying them constantly. I am almost out, as you can see, because they go through them so quickly. These are so great. They're bacon and cheese flavored, but they don't have like a strong smell. I've had a lot of other dog treats where if I give them to my dogs sit there and chew on them and I have to smell it. It makes me sick. These don't have that problem at all. This is what the actual treat itself looks like. So there's like that little filling. And these last for them, like chewing on them for a really long time. It keeps them entertained for quite a while. It doesn't make a mess all over my carpet. They love it. It also cleans the plaque and tartar in their teeth. So it's really good for their dental health as well. My dog is a French Bulldog and then I have a Lab mix and they both like them a ton. I tend to just watch my littler one a little more just to make sure she's not getting any big chunks that she could choke on if she bit it off. But so far there's been no issues. They absolutely love them. So if you have dogs, maybe you're looking for a new treat that might keep them entertained, also clean their teeth, I think that this would be a great choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.